In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI to improve your writing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank page to polished prose using Grammarly's built-in suggestions and AI rewriting tools, all without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press enter. This is the quickest way to find the official site. On the results page, click the official Grammarly website. It should be one of the top results and will take you straight to the home page where you can begin working on your writing. Once you're on Grammarly, look for the option to create a new document and click on New Document. This opens a clean editor where you can write from scratch or paste something you've already drafted. Take a moment to type your text into the editor. You can paste a paragraph, an email, a report, anything you want to improve. For best results, paste only the content you're comfortable reviewing here and keep the focus on the passage you want to refine. As soon as your text is in, Grammarly will automatically surface suggestions. You'll see highlights and a sidebar that organizes feedback into 4 useful categories. Correctness covers spelling, grammar, and punctuation, so your writing is error-free. Clarity addresses things like wordiness or awkward sentence structure, making your message easier to understand. Engagement helps you avoid bland or repetitive phrasing, nudging your writing to sound more dynamic. Delivery focuses on tone, helping you strike the right balance. If your wording feels too formal, too casual, or slightly off for your audience, click a suggestion to see the explanation, then accept it if it improves your writing. You're always in control, so feel free to skip suggestions that don't fit your intent. Next, take advantage of Grammarly's AI rewrite features to level up your draft. You can ask it to rewrite sentences for a smoother flow, shorten or expand a paragraph to hit the right length, or change the tone to better match your audience. For example, you might say, "Rewrite this paragraph in a professional tone." Review the suggested rewrite, compare it with your original, and keep the version that best communicates your message. When you're satisfied with your edits and rewrites, click Submit to finalize your changes. That's it. You've used Grammarly AI to clean up errors, clarify meaning, refine tone, and elevate your writing from draft to polished. Thanks for watching and happy writing.